Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the specific car in Gt7 allows aggressive turbo tuning and rev limiter changes. Some models are locked down. Once confirmed, install the stronger turbo and upgrade internals to prevent failure under higher RPM. Make sure to back up the base ECU map before any edits. You will revert if needed. While installing, note current boost and gear ratios so you can measure gains. This first set of actions sets a safe foundation for pushing RPM higher. Now you move into detailed ECU calibration. Raise the boost curve where the engine can safely make power and shift wastegate timing to favor top-end spool. Make incremental changes to fuel and ignition timing. Too aggressive and you risk knock. Once done, raise the rev limiter a small percentage and test on short telemetry runs. You should also tweak gear ratios so the engine stays in the new power band. That keeps the turbo spooled through shifts and maximizes RPM gains during real runs. Finish by performing extended dyno and track validation. Monitor AFR, knock, oil and coolant temps and gearbox stress. Once data shows stable gains, lock in the map and retest across multiple tracks to ensure consistency. If you experience detonation, overheating, or mechanical strain, immediately reduce the rev limiter or enrich the fuel to protect the engine and reassess internal strength. This final sweep ensures your ultra-high RPM setup is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.